Welcome to my channel. Primary colors. Primary colors are those which cannot be prepared by mixing other colors. Red, blue and yellow are primary colors. Secondary colors, which we get after mixing the primary colors, are called secondary colors. Example: red plus blue equal violet. Blue plus yellow equal green. Intermediate colors, which we get after mixing primary and secondary colors, are called intermediate colors. Source of colors and rainbow. According to science, colors is the source of energy and sun is the origin of colors. We find that there are 7 colors in sun rays. They are briefly called vibrant. V equal violet, I equal indigo, B equal blue, G equal green, Y equal yellow, O equal orange, R equal red. This total sun ray reflection is called rainbow. Color mixing. Red plus blue equal violet, red plus white equal pink, red plus yellow equal orange, red plus black equal brown, white plus black equal grey, blue plus yellow equal green, white plus blue equal sky, green plus blue equal dark green, blue plus brown equal black.
Thanks for watching this video. If you are watching this video, then hit the like button and leave a comment below in the comment section. If you are new in our channel, then hit the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification first.